everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to So You Think You Can Bake series. It's a very hot month on February in Singapore. So what's best to pair it with? Charlotte Exotique cake. As mentioned for my previous video, I will be baking Charlotte Exotique in this episode, and I'm so excited again because it's a medium difficulty, but I'm up for the challenge and I'm ready for it, and I can't wait to taste it. I haven't even made it and I already can't wait to taste it because it looks beautiful and it's paired with mango. And everyone, if you watch my previous episodes, you know that this series is inspired by my patisserie book from Julia, the Meilleur Pâtissière, the winner of the Meilleur Pâtissière 2023. And I challenged this year in 2024 to bake every single recipe inside the book. And yeah, again, wish me luck. And I'm more excited now that she noticed me in my Instagram and even followed me, and I followed her back. So she will see more of my baking. I'm so excited for that. I can't wait to show her what I can do with her recipes. And of course, we can't start the show without my apron. This time, we're gonna magic this apron on. And now we are ready. Let's get on with the baking. I finally finished Charlotte Exotic cake. Look at how beautiful it is. It smells so fresh. It smells sweet. And I can't wait to taste this. Let's cut this and try it. Everything is perfectly balanced. It's really not too sweet. There are some sugar that we use, as you can see, but the sugar is just the perfect amount. The Bavaroise Vanille, it tasted very fresh, light, and then the taste of the vanilla, it's really good together with the Biscuit Cuillère. And then with the mango, I love mango. That's why I'm so excited when I reach to this page to make Charlotte Exotic. And as stated in the book that this is a medium difficulty level, I would say it's quite okay. Not as hard as the previous episodes, which is the bûche roulée. That one is so intense to me. But this one, even though it's a medium difficulty level, I think it's quite easy for me, and I would love to make this recipe again. And that's the end of the episode for this time. Thank you so much for tuning in with me until this is the episode 5 already. I can't believe it. And then the next episode will be Choux Vanille. I am again excited about it because the difficulty level is again in a medium. So we'll see how it is. And I'll see you guys again next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button here. And now I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my Charlotte Exotic. Bye!